We know auto parts stores have maintenance and repair parts to keep your car safely on the road. But did you know you can also pick up many of those hard-to-find special trim and hardware items, all the little details that keep an older car looking and feeling fresh at those very same stores? Dorman created the HELP product line especially for do-it-yourself repair and replacement parts you might only expect to find at your dealership. With more than 85,000 items in the HELP family, Dorman has you covered from bumper to bumper with everything from radio knobs to door handles. Finding the right HELP solution is easy with Dorman's color-coded displays found in most major auto parts stores. The blue section contains exterior products such as hinge repair kits, door handles, and wiper washer repair. In the red section, you'll find interior products like window switches, control knobs, and cup holders. Under-hood products to repair systems like HVAC, fuel and emissions, and charging are found in the green section, while undercar items for the driveline, brakes, and exhaust system are found in the yellow section. Finally, the maintenance section, designated by gray, has everything from specialty tools to replacement keyless remotes. Before you go to the dealer, check Dorman first.